Today, I am Siddhi and my friends Vidushi and Arshi will be presenting to you our science fair project on the theme of stem cells. Before we dive right to the topic or our model, I would love to explain to you what stem cells exactly are. Stem cells are cells that can be divided into many different body cells. They act as a repair system for our body. These stem cells have the characteristic of rapidly dividing themselves whenever needed, and they can also differentiate into other cells, which is a very special characteristic and very rare that these cells possess. These cells can differentiate into several other cells, and my friend Vidushi will be explaining more on that.
As Siddhi has stated, stem cells have the ability of differentiating into many kinds of cells. Some examples are red blood cells, muscle cells, nerve cells, and skin cells. Basically, when the cells of our body are damaged, we can get stem cells transplanted into our body so that they can replace the damaged cells and make our cells healthy. We have shown the process of how stem cells are obtained, processed, and preserved in a three-part process. The first part will be explained by Ash.
So the first part has to be how to obtain the stem cells. Now basically during a childbirth, as we all know, there's a lot of bloodshed. Now basically we take the umbilical cord and we obtain the blood from the umbilical cord and place it in the blood bag, which is also called the sterile bag or the cord blood unit. From there it is transported to the laboratory. In the laboratory, the basic use of laboratory is basically to examine the cells to see if the cells are healthy enough or not. Because for many unfortunate reasons, there might be children who are born diseased. So it is the cells are examined in the laboratory, and from there they are stored in liquid nitrogen for a temporary use before sending it to a long-term preservation in the blast freezer. The process of blast freezer will be further explained by Satyendra.
We possess this blast freezer model, which is not real, but we have tried to make it as similar as possible to real life. Before I start, I will explain to you what a blast freezer is. A blast freezer is a freezing compartment, and I shall say a cryopreserving compartment that helps in extending the lifespan of cells. It is specially used in the preservation of stem cells, as stem cells are super fragile and have to be dealt with very carefully. Over here, we will display our blast freezer. As we can see, stem cells in this model are being stored at -190 degrees Celsius to expand their lifespan. We open this and we see this eco-friendly thermocol gel bag, which is actually used in the real preservation of stem cells. Here we can see how the model of these stem cells is being preserved. We have to deal with these models, we have to deal with actual stem cells with much concern, as these stem cells can even die of excessive freezing. That is why we store them in DMSO, which is dimethyl sulfoxide, which is a chemical that prevents the death of stem cells by freezing, by penetrating into the membrane of these cells. Furthermore, I would like to also explain that we are using sterile gloves to show how hygienic is supposed to be while handling these stem cells. Furthermore, I give the explanation of this data over to Arshi. She can explain it.
So basically, a data logger is used to check the temperature inside the blast freezer, because once the blast freezer is closed, it will not open until and unless it is required to work. So basically, what a data logger does is it reads its temperature, and once the temperature exceeds, it blinks. It has an alarm which basically shows the blinking, and which we need to understand that the temperature inside the box is not accurate.
What the blast freezer does is that it stops the stem cell's lifespan. So it does not allow it to grow further, hence it does not die and stays for up to 21 years. The maximum time recorded has been 23.5 years of stem cell preservation.
Furthermore, we would also like to explain a few fun facts that Arshi and Vidushi in combination will try to tell you.
So the first fun fact is that a stem cell can be also found in the way harder to retrieve these cells. That's why it's not as common as the umbilical cord cells.
The stem cells are also found in menstrual blood, but obviously it will be a little difficult to obtain stem cells from the menstrual blood.
Stem cells from animals can also be taken and processed in a laboratory such that they can transform into lab-formed meat, which will obviously stop a lot of animal cruelty, and it could also form vegetarian or vegan meat.
Lastly, we would like to say that stem cells are also cancer-curing agents, and they can cure diseases like leukemia and lymphoma and other such blood-related or skin-related cancers. While scientists are currently working on more cancer-solving stem cells, because there are many classifications of stem cells that we haven't discovered.
Research is still going on, but it is very famous in US, and we hope that one day India will